Hey everyone, welcome back to Cuddy's bookshelf. So it is time for Afterlight unboxing. So this is August's Afterlight. Here is your little sneak peek. So on the top we have Amuse Bouche, which is August 2024 Afterlight. This is what it looks like, just a plain design. On the back it tells you more about the book, but we'll come back to that. On the top there is a piece of fan art, but we'll come back to that after we've seen the book. So the book this month is The Peering by Casey McQuiston. So it is the same author that wrote Red, White and Royal Blue. So if you've read that one, you might like this one. I like the cover where it's got the character art on. This is the edge. And this is the back. So I'm guessing if you open it out, it will look like this. Let me have a look. Yeah, I like that. That's a very cute, cozy cover. Oh, that's nice. So the edges go all the way round the map across the top. And then you have like little crabs and stuff. I like that. That's really nice. A lot of detail. The food. And I wonder what this stuff means. What that's for. I like that. That's a very nice edge. Underneath the dust jacket, on the hardback itself, we have this. Let me open it out. So we have like Polaroids and the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and obviously travelling. It's very nice. It does look like a really cute romance. The end pages, the front end pages look like this. The back end pages look like this. It is signed by the author. There is a little map, a little tall map, which is cute. I really love those edges. They're very nice. So let's see what it's about. So I'll read it off the card. It says, Theo and Kit have been a lot of things. Childhood best friends, crushes, in love, and now estranged exes. After a brutal breakup on the transatlantic flight to their dream European food and wine tour, they exited each other's lives once and for all. Time apart has done them good. Theo has found confidence as a hustling bartender by night and an aspiring swimmer by day, with a long roster of casual lovers. Kit, who never returned to America, graduated as the reigning sex god of his pastry school class, and now bakes at one of the finest restaurants in Paris. Sure, nothing really compares to what they had, and life stretches out long and lonely ahead of them. But yeah, it's in the past. All that remains is the unused voucher for the European tour that never happened. Good for 48 months after its original date and about to expire 4 years later, it seems like a great idea to finally take the trip, solo, separately. It's not until they board the tour bus that they discover they have both accidentally had the exact same idea, and now they're trapped with each other for 3 weeks of stunning views, luscious flavours, and the most romantic cities of France, Spain and Italy. It's fine, there's nothing left between them. So much nothing that when Theo suggests a friendly wager to see who can sleep with their hot Italian tour guide first, Kit is totally game. And why stop there? Why not a full-on European hookup competition? That's going to end badly, isn't it? That screams ending badly. But it sounds good to read. The artwork is the same as the back end pages, and it has a letter from the author. A signed letter from the author. So that's cute. I love that. So yeah, that is August's book. What do you guys think of it? I think it sounds like a really cute romance. I say cute, but I just feel like it's going to turn into a disaster. Like the book looks cute, like it's going to be a cute, cozy romance. But yeah, travelling and hooking up with all of the men. So yeah, sounds good. Let me know what you think to this month's book. Are you planning on picking it up if you don't get Afterlight? Are you not that bothered about it? Did you skip this month? Let me know all of the things. I would love to know your thoughts. I hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Never happened. That never happened. So, and then the artwork looks like this. So it's the same as the back end pages, I think. I'm sure it is. Yes, it is. I hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing. And if you did, please give it a no. Would like to see more of me, please subscribe. No. They're totally going to get back together, aren't they? I can feel it. I like the covers that do the full, like, wrap around. So it's a full image going all the way around. I really enjoy that. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I did really enjoy why can't I say that? Bloody book. I did really enjoy red, white. I did really enjoy red, white and royal blue. So hopefully, but I haven't read, what was the other one by them? Hold on. I haven't read One Last Stop yet by this author, but I do have it. So, yeah. New romance.